That's what my chia lentil bread looks like. I'll show you in a minute. Flip it over like so. Here, my chia lentil bread. Not a flat bread, but a bread. And let's slice a little piece here and see what it looks like. Take a little slice and see what it looks like. So, of course, I would not be able to find my knife now. Huh. So let's do a little slice here. That's my chia bread. Not bad. Not bad. Slice another big hunk. Not bad at all. Yeah, there goes. Slices easily. Holds together well. And there is my lentil chia bread. Not bad if I say so myself. What do you think? I think just gonna keep slicing it. Looks delicious. So, just another idea on using your leftover lentil. I'll never throw out leftover lentil again. Not when I can make this delicious bread. I'll take a little piece and see how it tastes. And I'll tell you. I'll tell you in a minute. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to take a little piece of this bread. It holds together very well. 2 ingredients, chia and lentil. Here, that's it. It's delicious. Now you may want to put a little bit of jam, jelly, fruit, and something on the side. Be my guest. But that's not too bad. Slices hold together very nicely. Rest of my bread is there. Wow. So that's my chia bread. Chia lentil bread. God bless you. Have a good night or good morning.